Let's get it straight, girl, you don't need a nigga for nothing. Looking better every day, you got that Benjamin Button.
Hi guys, welcome back to another bathroom video. I want y'all to see my shirt. Well, my dress I got professional with. That's what it says. So today's video is going to be a very, very special video for me. I am finally introducing something very special to me, to you guys. So if you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram already, you already know what I'm about to talk about. Plus you can see it in the title of the video. So if you want to see the details, if you don't follow me, then just keep watching. It's kind of hot in here, so let me just push my hair back. Okay. So as you guys can see from the title of the video, I am get it together, girl. I am introducing my lash line. It is called, it's a mouthful, I know it is because I can barely say it, but this is my lash line. It is E-Lashes Luxury Mink Eyelashes. I said it good. So as you guys don't know, you probably do know if you've been following me for a long time, I am obsessed with lashes, okay? So it's been over a year, I've always been talking about coming out with my own lash line. So my sister she's also coming out with something of hers. So she was just talking to me like, girl, you know, if you really want to do this, like, you gotta give yourself a deadline. Like, you can't keep just talking. Anybody that knows me personally knows that I'm a big procrastinator, okay? So she just like, you know, you gotta get it together. Like, if you want to do this, let's do this. Like, let's be these boss moms, you know what I'm saying? And give yourself a deadline and get, you know, write down a list of things that you need to get done to promote yourself and to have everything and all that stuff. Write a list down and get all those things checked off by the deadline. So I did. And as you guys don't know, or you may know, I'm not really sure, my favorite color is purple, okay? So I'm thinking like, okay, lashes, purple, I love gold, you know, I'm always wearing gold, you know, so I put those three colors together. Well, those two colors plus black I put together. So I found the vendor. Not gonna tell you guys, I found the vendor and I basically told them like, look, this is how I want my box to look, which I'll insert a little picture of what I told them I wanted to look like, and they sketched it out for me, and I was like, perfect. It's what I want. They sent me pictures of their lashes. I picked out, and let me tell you guys, the hardest part about this was picking out the lashes. Oh my God, because you might get somebody and they have lashes that all their lashes look bomb, but you know, you can't, I mean you can, but I can't start off with like 20 different type of lashes. So I was like, okay, 5 is a good pair to start off with. So I had to pick 5, and then I ordered my samples through my vendor, and then I got like, I think my first set of samples, some of the lashes looked the same. So I was like, okay, I can't have 2 lashes that really look the same. Like, I gotta have a lash that has their own different style. So I had to swap that out and get another lash. So I got my second set of samples, and I rocked with it. I wore them. I seen how they feel. Matter of fact, these are my favorite. I'll get to this. These are my favorite. These are 3D mink eyelashes. So yeah, I got my I got my samples. I tried them out, and I'm like, look. So this is, you know, these are the 5 that I want to go with or whatever. So I did my own photo shoot. I will have my website link below. I had all my girls. I got my cousins. I got my cousin, my sister. I got my friend, and I got my sister-in-law to be my models. I used my EOS Rebel T7i camera. I bought a background. I bought the thing to hold the background. I bought my ring light. I bought my what is it called? My boxes, soft boxes, because I just wanted to do everything myself, because, you know, I don't know, I just wanted to do everything myself. It would save me more money if I did it myself. So I just set a date for the girls. Hey, I want you guys to be a part of my experience, you know, because I could have just did myself, but I wanted to, you know, just be extra. So I did my photo shoot. I did my website. I went through Big Cartel. Big Cartel is a great help. There's different type of different websites out there depending on on your budget. You know, I only pay $10 a month for Big Cartel. So, sorry. I went through Big Cartel. I did my website through Big Cartel. I uploaded my pictures. I took pictures of the lashes. I did everything myself. So I'm gonna insert a video of me getting my lashes. It took a while. I was supposed to launch my lashes, I think. I was supposed to launch my lashes July 18th, but my lashes came a little late. You guys know, due to the COVID-19 virus, you know, when you order stuff, it just comes late. So my lash was about a week late. So I just launched my lashes July 25th. So guys, today is the day I received lashes for eLashes with my custom boxes. Here's the package right here. I'm so nervous, so excited. I have been talking about having my own lash line for years now, and I finally, like, honestly, my sister just pushed me. Y'all probably hear Kennedi playing with boxes. I just got off work, by the way. Yeah, so that's why I'm wearing, that's why I have on scrubs. But I have to just thank my sister for giving me that push to go ahead and just, you know, just do my thing. So I finally received the package. I have not opened the package, as you guys can see. It's wrapped really, really good. So I'm gonna sit you guys right here. Don't mind my bed, don't mind my bed. And I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you my reaction, and you guys are gonna be the first ones to see.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Kennedi.
Hey, Diddy.
So I'm gonna give you a little background. But always, you know, I'm a beauty person. I've always been into hair. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I've always been into hair, into makeup. And I always been like a business type person. Like before I went to hair school, I went to school for business. But I don't know, I think I was kind of scared when I went to college, so I dropped out. And it was years before I went to cosmetology school, but I always been a person that was into beauty or whatever. And I always wanted to be a business owner, like, you know, just a business owner. So I love doing makeup. I did professional makeup. Well, I did professional makeup for like weddings and, you know, photo shoots and just, you know, family members or whatnot. I haven't done a celebrity just yet. And I've always been obsessed with lashes. Like, I just, you know, I gotta have on some badass lashes. So, you know, you start off with cheaper lashes or whatever. And I don't know, just out the blue, I was just like, you know, I want to start my own lash line. So I couldn't really come up with a name or whatever. But I don't know, eLashes just stood out to me because my name is Ebonee, and eLashes just kind of flow. So I just came with eLashes, luxury mink eyelashes. So I'm going to show you guys my first impression of my custom box. As you guys know, my logo is like purple, gold, and black. I did a photo shoot and everything for my... What are you doing? I did a photo shoot and everything for my lash. I did the photo shoot myself with my Canon Rebel T7i. I did my own photo shoot. I got my girls together. I got the lashes from my vendor, all that stuff, background, lights, ring light, everything. And I even got shirts made and everything. And it went perfectly. I did my own website through Big Cartel. Everything is just flowing. I'm getting such positive feedback. So I feel like this is my path, and this is what I should be doing. So I will definitely put my website in the bottom bar so you guys can check out my website. But right now I'm going to show you guys, what's wrong, Kennedi? I'm going to show you guys my custom box, because I did get a custom box. This is just the like exclusive limited edition box. I am going to change my packaging. But yeah, let me stop rambling because I'm so excited. I'm nervous. What is it? I'm nervous. I'm excited. So let's just go ahead and get to it. And I don't even have any razors. I just have my keys. to open this up. So we're gonna try to see if I can open it with my keys. Oh my God, it's beautiful.
It's mine.
It's beautiful. Oh my God. So this is my brand. Oh my God, I'm about to cry. This is, hold on baby, this is my brand, y'all. This is my brand. This is my custom box. As you guys know, my color is purple, gold, and black. In the inside, you get your lashes and you get your tweezers. Oh my God, it is, hold on baby. It is so, can't do your hair. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. I gotta call my mom, my cousin, I gotta go. And yeah, everything has been going really good with the lashes. I love getting orders. I love packaging my orders. I love shipping them off. I do offer shipping only in the USA. So if you guys want to buy some lashes, go ahead, girl. But I want to show you guys every lash that I carry, and I want to show you guys a glimpse of my lashes. I do have 5 pairs. So like I said, if you guys haven't followed me on social media, Snapchat or Instagram, I do have a Twitter for my lash, for my business, and I do have a Facebook for my business. So if you're not following any of those, this is the first time for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you all the lashes really quickly. Whew. So this is what my lashes look like. It just says my little logo here, and it has the gold around it. I'm trying to get no makeup on it because no, I don't want to be shipping this to nobody that got makeup on it. But you open it up and it comes with gold tweezers, and it's gold in the inside. And this is actually the pair that I have on right now. These are called Ebonee. All of my lashes start with E's because my name starts with Ebonee. And I decided to do it that way. I don't know why. I just want to do it that way. But these are Ebonees. I can't really remember the millimeters. I think these are 20 millimeters. All of my lashes are 20 and lower. I don't have 25 millimeters yet. I probably will have some. I probably will add more lashes around Christmas time. But I'm just having fun selling the ones that I have right now. So make sure you guys go check out my website. Boo. But these are the ones I have on right now. These are the Ebonee ones. Let you guys see that. And they do come with free tweezers. They do cost $12. So yeah, this is the first pair, and I absolutely love my packaging. It's just everything is just flowing. Everything is just going so well for this. This is how I know this is what I'm supposed to be doing, because like it's been going really well, and I'm just so excited. I'm just so happy. So this is the second pair. These are called Extra, and these are 19 millimeters. I'm gonna try to remember the millimeters. If I do say them incorrectly, I will have everything listed in the bottom. So make sure you guys check it out. Check out the information at the bottom bar, or you can just go to the website. I have everything listed in the website as well. But these are extras. Love these, love these, love these too. I do like dramatic lashes, but not too dramatic, like taking over your face dramatic. But I do, these two are my favorite pairs. These are two of my more like dramatic lashes, you know what I'm saying? The next pair is, these are Exquisites, and I think Exquisites are 14. No. I don't know. But this is what these look like. These are more on the short side. They're a little fuller. They're fuller than like a natural. They're like in between. They're like not natural and not dramatic. They're just like subtle. They're right in the middle. So if you're like the type of person that want a little drama, I would recommend these. And they're short. They're not long, because when I look up, I can feel these like on my eyebrows. These are, this right here, matter of fact, let me show you this one. I'm gonna show that other one last. These are 14 millimeters, I think. I'm not sure. These are exotic. These are exotic. And these are very beautiful, very playful, like really sexy on the eye. I absolutely love these as well. I just love these lashes, y'all. I'm just so proud of myself. But this is the third pair. I'm sorry, this is the fourth pair. And this is Exotic. What did I say the ones before this? Oh, these are Exquisite. Now these are my biggest sellers right here. I probably have like 2 of these in stock because a lot of people like the in-between look. So these are my biggest sellers. I do have like 2 of these left now. By the time this video go up, I'm not really sure how many I have left, but I do need to restock on my inventory very soon. But right now I still have lashes in stock. But yeah, these, a lot of people like these. These are really sexy too. They're like, if you know, if you want a little dramatic, but not like over the top, but you want, you know, a little natural. And I showed you guys these. These are Exotic. These are really pretty. Love, 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 love those. And then my last pair is like my natural pair for people that's just starting out to wear lashes. My mom wear these lashes, y'all. These are elegant and they're really natural, not real thick. They're really light too. But they're really, really pretty, guys. And like I said, all of these come with free tweezers. My next inventory, they won't come with any tweezers. The tweezers will be available to get online. I love them because first of all, these things are a little heavy. Like these things, let y'all get a close up on this. These things are a little heavy and they nice. They're really nice. And it just makes it more, tweezers to me makes it more easier to apply your lashes. Because you can put them on with these and you can press your natural lashes with the false lashes. I mean, and these are heavy duty. They have a little weight on them. I love these. I need to get a pair myself. But yeah, oh my God, you guys, I am a business owner. Yeah. But yeah, I'm super duper duper excited about my babies. And I hope you guys go and buy you some freaking lashes. Like I said, they're $12 a piece. These are the exclusive limited edition boxing that comes with the tweezer. So make sure you guys get a pair. I will have my website in the video listed below. I've been getting orders in. I love that people are like supporting me. Like I have been getting such great feedback ever since I've been talking about these lashes. And I know a lot of people probably didn't think I was gonna do it, but like I always say, thank you to my sister. Thank you for, you know, thank you for really like telling me like if you want to do this, because I'm a big procrastinator, like for real, for real. I procrastinate on everything. And I just want to thank you for just pushing me to do this because the outcome is just so freaking amazing. And I'm so happy. And I just can't believe I'm doing this. I just can't believe it. I'm really happy, guys. I'm really happy. I just really enjoy this. So I really hope you guys go buy you guys some lashes. And y'all make sure y'all tag yourselves ELashBabe on Instagram so you can be featured on my page. My Instagram business page for my lashes is eLashes Luxurious Eyelashes. Make sure you guys go follow that. Make sure you guys go follow my Instagram glamgirl_e. Snapchat, all of that good stuff. Follow it on Facebook if you can find it on Facebook. I think it's just eLashes on Facebook. Just yeah, I really want to thank everybody for the great feedback and the great support. More and many things to come. This is just a starting point. Yeah, I'm just overwhelmed at this moment. I just thank God. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.